Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Training. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the important model in number series. So the given question here, so what is the next number of the following sequence? 9, 17, 37, 75, 137, 229. Okay, which option is the right answer? Look at the screen guys here. So total number series, how many models? 5 models. What are they? So difference series, product series, squares and cube series, combination series, and general series. So difference series again classified into two types, constant difference and increasing or decreasing difference. Look at the screen guys, the given information 9, 17, 37, 75, 137, 229. What is the next number? So first check the difference series guys here. First check the difference. So 9, 17. So difference is how much? 8. Next 17, 37. Difference is how much? 20. Next 37, 75. Difference is how much? 38. Next 137, 75. Difference is how much? 62. Next 137, 229. So difference is how much? 92. So again check the difference guys. Again check the difference. 8, 20. Difference is how much? 12. Next. So 20, 38. Difference is how much? 18. Next. 38 and 62. Difference is how much? 24. Okay. So 62, 92. Difference is how much? 30. Okay. Again check the difference guys. Again check the difference. So 12, 18. Difference is how much? 6. 18, 24. Difference is how much? 6. 24, 30. Difference is how much? 6. Okay. Again difference is 6. It is a constant difference. 6, 6, 6, 6. Right? Okay. Look at the screen guys here. So 30 plus 6, 36. Next 92 plus 36, 128. So 128 plus 229. How much guys? 357. The next number is 357. Which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Is it clear guys, all of you? Yes. Next, move on to next question guys here. 480, 240, 160, 120, 96. So what is the right answer guys? Which option is the right answer? Okay, so I think very dead easy problem guys. Look at the screen guys here. So 480 by 2, how much? 240. Next, 480 by 3. So, okay. So 480 by 3 is how much? 160. Next, 480 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are 120. Next, 480 by 5. 480 by 5 is how much? 96. Next, 480 by 6. 6 ones are 6 eights are 48 and 0 k 0. So then answer is 80. So which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. Is it clear guys, all of you? Yes, I think very dead easy problem guys.